to see first. Baddest B In Town, ladies and gentlemen, this is and her opponent. Queen of Japanese Marika Kobashi.
Ladies and gentlemen, friends and folks, we are live at Grapplemax UNITY 9th
Ladies
anniversary
and
show.
gentlemen, when the bell rings, your official for this contest. Ish.
And this is the second match of the night. It is an international singles match between Marika Kobashi and Divya. My name is Joseph. I'm here at the commentary desk with
The voice, Charlotte, who I'm not 100%, but I'm 100% sure.
I think you're always 100%, brother. Don't worry about it.
I'm 100% sure that a lot of people will be focusing on this match right now.
Oh yeah, this is
We got the baddest B in town going up against
Yaku. Is that how you say it?
Gyara.
Yaku.
Gyara is a subculture of girls who adopt a certain look and a certain style, a certain je ne sais quoi
Je ne sais quoi.
in their behavior.
Yes, and this is actually Marika Kobashi's Singapore debut. She is on an Asian tour.
Now,
She's based in the region right now.
absolutely. Both of these women have done so much with their careers.
That's right, that's right.
Divya is called the baddest B in town for a
And,
very
yep.
good reason.
She was,
Look at Marika.
Oh.
She's so cute.
so this is interesting because Marika Kobashi called out Divya,
Oh, my
right?
goodness.
Is
I
it a
feel
cute
like-
off? Is this a kawaii off?
Is this a TikTok?
That was a point. Quick roll up.
Oh, here we go.
From Marika Kobashi.
I thought that was going to be it.
That was close. But Divya is very well experienced, as you were about to say.
Absolutely.
And you can see
Divya.
this ring experience right now. Like, she was the first CW India Women's Champion.
Absolutely.
Multi-time champion as well.
Absolutely.
You see, look at that. That was a brilliant ring awareness from
So
Divya.
smart. So smart.
And, when Divya was based in India, she also went for WWE tryouts.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, right.
Divya is a cornerstone in Southeast Asian wrestling,
That's right.
especially from Singapore right now. And
But no, she just ate a middle rope. Marika Kobashi driving Divya's neck onto the middle rope here.
That could take her out right now. That could be it, folks.
Oh, that was just a 2 count. It was just a 2 count.
Not enough. Divya is so strong.
Well, she is strong, but Marika Kobashi is also a 10-year veteran.
Eating that basement malaria.
That's right. So she has spent, I think, she debuted in Japan, Tokyo Joshi Pro Wrestling 10 years ago.
What?
Marika Kobashi.
A 10-year vet.
That's right. So there's at least 15, 17 years combined experience right there in the ring right now.
Oh my goodness, almost 2 decades worth of
Exactly.
experience in the ring right now. Definitely appreciated by the crowd.
That's both of them are equally strong. Come on. Marika just flung Divya halfway across the ring.
I don't know. This is why I'm completely bald, brother. Just to not give opponents a chance to grab my head.
Yeah, but oh no.
Oh dear.
This is some 90s Divas throwback right here. Just a hair fling from the corner.
That's the follicle screwdriver.
That is a follicular screwdriver.
Marika now on the offensive with the foot onto Divya, just showing
This is
that
really, just who's the baddest.
on top.
This is really not about who's strong, Sean. This match is not about who's strong, who's faster, or who's not experienced. It's who has the most attitude.
Absolutely. And
Who can hang, who's just got the most aura.
let's not forget that Marika has come here all the way from Japan.
Yep.
Marika is debuting tonight in Singapore.
And she just got a 2 count. I guess this is a debut.
First time ever. But the point here is, she wants to make an impact, just like what Divya did when she came to Singapore and made that big impact herself. So Marika wants to be that next.
Yes. This is indeed, Grapplemax ring is indeed the land of opportunity and a proving ground for hungry, talented, experienced wrestlers. There was a bridging suplex from Divya on his strength. Not enough. That was not enough.
Marika is holding it down. She's trying to stay on the defense.
Again, ring awareness, ducking the yep. Into a second basement drop kick.
There you go. Marika right now
She knows she needs to do more damage to Divya. She's doing a stretch.
catching Divya in that stretch. Blocking Divya, draining her energy.
Both of them still look so good. All this attitude and aura. I don't know from where I'm sitting.
From where we're sitting, blue and pink, that's a nice combination color.
Divya is trying to fight out all the strength. Is it enough?
Oh, she takes it
There's a pin.
down.
Oh. See, ring awareness versus strength now.
See, Marika's got that body scissors that's gonna drain the air out of your
But
lungs.
Divya's fighting for a rope break. Can she get her legs to the rope? Nish is trying to check. Our referee.
Getting
trying to look.
closer. She's in.
I think it looks like a rope break.
Very smart veteran move right there. Marika stretching the 5 count.
Divya is a bit dazed right now. It doesn't look too rosy for her right now, Sean Rick.
Absolutely. You see, there's only so much air that can take. By Divya herself.
So what is Marika going to do? Oh! Divya ducking all the way from the corner.
All the energy from Divya.
Oh! Marika just got right up. German suplex from Divya.
Past 5 minutes past.
Is this enough for Divya to get the win? That was a 2 count, Sean
That
Rick.
was a very strong German suplex.
That was an insanely strong German.
Marika rolled out of the ring trying to create some space.
Divya is not letting her. Oh, into a dive. Cannonball out of the ring. That's in. These are fearless women right now we're watching.
I don't
Outrageous.
know a lot of people who would be willing to do a cannonball to the outside of the ring, and we saw that tonight from Divya onto Marika Kobashi.
Now the referee's beginning a count out. They're brawling outside of the ring, is that right?
So in Grapplemax, we have a count of 10 before you're counted out of the match. Hopefully by then we have both ladies inside the ring.
The action is not.
The crowd wants them to fight to their side.
I can't see anything. Sean Rick, what do you see?
I see a whole bunch of people standing up because they want to look at the action. But it seems that
Kobashi is climbing the corner. Is she going to go?
no way.
Is she going to go to the air?
No
Is she
way.
taking to the air? Is Marika Kobashi in a Singapore
Oh
debut
my
in a Grapplemax
God.
ring? Is she about? Is she going to take out with her body? Is she taking flight? In a crossbody onto Divya outside of the ring.
Holy smokes, she did a crossbody to the
definitely has. Referee Nish is doing another count out. But Marika just wrote Divya in the ring for the win. Is this it?
That was a 2 count.
Not enough. What does Marika Kobashi have left in her knee-high boots?
Let's not forget, she is the queen of Gyata culture. And for Gyata culture, there's so many, it's a lot of unpredictable.
They don't give up, do they? Because but Divya's not giving up either.
It's recognizing what's in front of you and finding a way to get rid of that challenge.
Divya goes spear!
This could be it.
Ladies and gentlemen, friends and foe, your winner of this international singles match is Divya. What a fight. What a show. That was a crazy international singles match right here at Grapplemax UNITY 9th anniversary show. Don't turn away because the third match is our underwear match. Stay tuned. Joseph, I am Joseph, and Sean Riku and I will be right back. Don't turn away. Tell your friends to tune in live this anyway.